Good afternoon, Barry from Quicksilver on another sunny day on a solitary walk in the English countryside, as you do. But what's that? Do I hear the sound of a V8? A V8 Defender? A Quicksilver V8 Defender, the first in the country? Hello, Harry.
Hi, Barry.
What are you doing here?
I don't know, mate. I don't know what the chances of that were.
I don't know, but probably about 1 in a billion. But you know, I'm just going for a walk on my own. But yeah, so this is the new Defender. It's the first time I've seen it.
Yeah. Defender V8.
Yeah, looking
Got
pretty
the 90
good.
version here.
Oh yeah, sounding pretty good. Why don't you park it up and give us a walk and a talk through?
Sure. 2 seconds.
Yeah. Looking pretty good in lovely gloss black. You can't really go wrong with gloss black. Very mean looking. Yeah. So as we all probably know, this is Harry, aka Heritage Harry, usually known for his extreme selling skills at Heritage Exhaust. So this is the new Quicksilver system, is it?
Yeah, so obviously last time you saw it was stock.
Yeah.
This is the new Quicksilver system for it. As you can see, quad tips, quad carbon tips. Got to have that on the V8s.
Yeah,
That's
definitely.
what everyone wants.
Looks pretty legit with the carbons.
And what we've got is we've got 2 straight through turn down tips in the middle.
So, it's not 4 tips. It's how many tips? 6. 6 tips. With
2 of them are invisible.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, invisible. Yeah, it's a real.
So when you got the valve open, obviously it's sound architect. So valve open, it goes straight through those turn downs. So we've done turn downs. So number 1, they're invisible. Number 2, they're a homage to what Land Rover normally use on their cars anyway, turn down tips.
Yeah.
Number 3, it's the path of best flow, as it's just straight out. So it's basically a straight pipe when you have the valves open.
Yeah, so you're getting like a real like Jekyll and Hyde sort of sports exhaust, I guess.
Yeah, exactly. And then so it bleeds through the 4 carbon tips, when the valves are open anyway. So you get some bleed through those, through the boxes. Yeah. And then when you shut the valves, it only goes through the quad carbon tips, and the gases are diverted into the two rear boxes that we have on the system. Nice. Yeah. All stainless steel, I see, and like mandrel bent and stuff. That's very good. Obviously works with a tow bar. They all come with tow bars, I think. Exactly. So if you want to make some noise while you're towing your caravan or your friends around, then
it's just why would you put a tow bar on one of these? I'm not really sure, but it all goes with the look, I guess. Yeah. But I like it. I guess we should let the exhaust do some talking now.
No, for sure.
Yeah, we'll do some flybys. But good to see you, Harry. Yeah.
I can't believe it. It's just
I know. It's just weird. What you see out in the countryside. So there you have it, the new Quicksilver sports exhaust system with sound architect for the Land Rover Defender 90 V8. Let us know what you think below. The most creative and nicest comment will will receive a limited edition Quicksilver baseball cap. And if you need any more information, click the link below, and we'll see you soon. Bye.